Are you ready to travel the world without leaving your seat? Imagine standing on a mountain top where clouds touch your face, or watching the sunset paint the desert in golden colors. Today, we will take you on a breathtaking journey to see the most beautiful landscapes around the world. From snowy peaks to tropical beaches, from endless green fields to magical forests. Every corner of our planet has a story to tell. Sit back, relax, and let your eyes wander through nature's greatest masterpieces. Our world is full of amazing places. Nature has created wonderful landscapes that take our breath away. These landscapes show us how beautiful our planet is. Some are peaceful and quiet, others are wild and powerful. In this journey, we will visit mountains, beaches, forests, deserts, and many more magical places. Number 1. The majestic mountains. Mountains are like nature's giants. They stand tall and strong, touching the sky. The Himalayas in Asia are the highest mountains in the world. Mount Everest is their tallest peak. It is covered with snow all year. Many travelers and climbers dream of seeing it. The Alps in Europe are also famous. They have beautiful villages and ski resorts. The Rocky Mountains in North America are full of wildlife and hiking trails. Mountains give us fresh air, clean water, and beautiful views. Number 2. Stunning beaches. Beaches are the best places to relax. They have soft sand, warm sun, and blue water. The Maldives is one of the most famous beach destinations. Its islands are small and peaceful with clear water and colorful fish. Bora Bora in the Pacific Ocean is another paradise. Its water looks like glass and small nuts stand above the sea. In Greece, the beaches of Santorini are known for their white houses and deep blue sea. Beaches make us feel calm and happy. Number 3. Magical forests. Forests are green treasures of the earth. They are home to many animals, birds, and plants. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the largest forest in the world. It is full of life and mystery. The Black Forest in Germany is known for its dark trees and fairy tales. Japan's bamboo forests are tall and quiet, making visitors feel peaceful. Forests give us oxygen, shade, and beauty. Walking in a forest is like entering a different world. Number 4. Peaceful lakes. Lakes are mirrors of nature. They reflect the sky, trees, and mountains around them. Lake Louise in Canada is famous for its turquoise water and snowy peaks. Lake Bled in Slovenia has a small island with a church. It looks like a picture from a storybook. The Great Lakes in North America are so big they look like seas. Lakes are perfect for boating, fishing, or just enjoying the view. Number 5. Golden deserts. Deserts are dry and hot, but they are also full of beauty. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest in the world. Its golden sand dunes look like waves of the sea. The Arabian desert has endless sand and old traditions. The deserts of Arizona and Utah in the USA have red rocks and strange shapes. Deserts show us how strong nature can be even without water. Number 6. Glorious waterfalls. Waterfalls are nature's music. They sing with the sound of falling water. Niagara Falls between Canada and the USA is one of the most famous waterfalls. It is huge and powerful. Iguazu Falls in South America is very wide and surrounded by green forests. Victoria Falls in Africa is called the smoke that thunders because of its mist and roar. Waterfalls are places where you can feel the power of water and the freshness of nature. Number 7. Rolling hills and fields. Not all landscapes are wild. Some are soft and gentle. The rolling hills of Tuscany in Italy are covered with green vineyards and olive trees. The fields of lavender in Provence turn purple in summer and smell sweet. The rice terraces in Bali, Indonesia look like green steps climbing the hills. The places are peaceful and show the beauty of farming life. Number 8. Icy wonders. Cold places have their own magic. Antarctica is a land of ice and snow. Penguins live there, and the icebergs float like white castles. Iceland have geysers, volcanoes, and glaciers. Its blue lagoon is a hot spring in the middle of cold land. The northern lights in Norway, Sweden, and Finland paint the sky with green and purple colors. Cold landscapes make us feel like we are in a dream. Number 9. Tropical jungles. Jungles are full of life, colors, and sounds. They are warm, wet, and green all year. Costa Rica has many rainforests with monkeys, toucans, and colorful frogs. The jungle of Thailand are home to elephants and hidden waterfalls. In Borneo, you can see orangutans living in the trees. Jungle teach us how rich and wild nature can be. Number 10. Unique natural wonders. Some places are so special that they do not fit in one category. The Grand Canyon in the USA is a deep valley with red rocks. It looks like the earth has been cut open. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef in the world. It is full of fish, turtles, and colorful corals. Mount Fuji in Japan is a perfect volcano with a snowy top. These wonders remind us how amazing and surprising nature is. The world is full of beauty. Each landscape has its own story, color, and feeling. From the highest mountains to the deepest sea, from the hottest desert to the coldest glaciers, every place is a gift from nature. We should travel, explore, and admire these places, but we should also protect them. Nature is delicate, and many landscapes are in danger because of pollution and climate change. When we take care of the earth, we keep its beauty for the future. Traveling to see these landscapes is not just about taking pictures, it is about feeling connected to the planet. It is about breathing fresh air, listening to nature's sounds, and finding peace in its beauty. So, where will your next adventure take you?